Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and put a thumbs up if you like this video. And in this video, we're talking about L'Oreal Hydra Genius Moisturizing Lotion. So the particular lotion I have in my hands is good for normal to oily skin, so combination skin and acne-prone skin, as these types of skin also need hydration, especially when it's a lot of heat going on and it's very dry, or has been overuse of some acne medication. So the good thing about this product is that it's made with hyaluronic acid and also with aloe vera. It is very, very light. Like, it doesn't have any sticky feeling. Your skin absorbs it immediately, which is again perfect for oily skin because it does not give you extra shyness. Extra oiliness in T-zone areas especially. You could use it every morning and night after cleansing, sort of like gently smoothing all over your face. So this product has been made in New York, and the bottle is actually very cool. It has a little pump dispenser, which is very convenient. Also, I should say that it's probably a really unique line of very light moisturizers that oily skin can use, because it's not very easy to find a good moisturizer for the oily skin that would absorb it real quickly. So they say it also provides the mattifying action, but I'd say I would a little doubt that. It's nothing crazy, and the oiliness, after several hours of the day, especially if you're wearing makeup that hasn't been set, for example, it will not really mattify that well. But it provides the 78 hours of instant and continuous hydration. So, and the moisture kind of locks in. It's obviously always locks in, doesn't it? So anyway, this is something people with oily skin could give a try. It doesn't have fragrances, which is amazing, non-comedogenic, obviously, and oil-free. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. Wishing you all the best. Bye.